This is exercise 10.5, class 7th, maths NCERT. Question number 1. Construct the right angled triangle PQR where angle Q is equal to 90 degree, QR is equal to 8 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Now let's draw this triangle. First of all, we will draw QR is equal to 8 centimeter. So write here R and here we will write Q. This is 8 centimeter. And after that, draw angle 90 degree on Q. So draw an arc. Then make first arc. This first arc is of 60 degree. Then this second arc is of 120 degree. And then from the first arc we will make an arc. And from the second arc we will make another arc. So here you can see this angle is of 90 degree and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So you know that PR 10 centimeter, it can be drawn from R or it can be drawn from P. But here you can see R is given, P is not given. So we will take 10 centimeter in our compass. 10 centimeter in compass. We are required to take 10 centimeter. And after taking 10 centimeter, one arc from R will be made. And this arc will be joined from R. And this point is called P. And this is 10 centimeter. So this is the method to draw this triangle. Draw it properly. This is question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long and one of its leg is 4 centimeter long. Now hypotenuse is given, this is 6 centimeter and one of the leg is 4 centimeter. Then construct the right angle triangle. Question number 2. Here it is given hypotenuse. Then first of all you are required to know that the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse and this is called base and this is called perpendicular. So the side which is opposite to the 90 degree will be its hypotenuse and which is 6 centimeter long. So first of all we will draw a leg which is 4 centimeter. So this is the leg which is 4 centimeter in length. And then we will draw, we can name it as X, Y and we can write it as 4 centimeter. After this we will draw 90 degree on the point X, make a semicircle first and then we will draw first arc, same method as we have done in first, then second arc, then third arc and from the second arc we will make a fourth arc. And after this we will join this and this is 90 degree. Now make a arc of 6 centimeter from Y because this is hypotenuse which is opposite to the 90 degree angle. Take 6 centimeter in the compass and then make an arc and this line is of 6 centimeter which is hypotenuse here 6 centimeter. जो 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट में होती है that is called hypotenuse. This is base, this is perpendicular. Draw this triangle like this. Question number 3. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle ABC where angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. So here we are required to draw isosceles right triangle. In isosceles right triangle you can see two sides will be equal and one angle is of 90 degree Then this type of triangle is called isosceles right angle triangle, or here angle ACB we will take 90 degree. Now let's draw this triangle. Here I have told you what is isosceles right triangle. So two sides, it is given ACB is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. So first of all we will draw AC 6 centimeter, here C, here A, 6 centimeter, and ACB, in angle ACB you can see angle C is 90 degree. So we will draw 90 degree on C. Same method, semicircle, then first arc, second arc, then third arc, and then fourth arc. And this is 90 degree on C. Then you know that hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, so it can't be equal. So AC is equal to BC. So here AC 6 centimeter we will take, and this 6 centimeter we have taken in compass, and we will mark an arc on this line. This is B. Then we will join this A to B. So here this is called isosceles right triangle because two sides are equal. This is 6 centimeter BC and AC is also 6 centimeter and angle is 90 degrees. So this is called right angled isosceles triangle. Draw this.